Good afternoon guys. Ito ay isang quartz rutilated 88% 0.29. Rutilated quartz contain needle-like inclusions of rutile, creating a string appearance. Were found worldwide. Common uses: jewelry and cabochons. Ito guys, maliit lang siya pero napakaganda niya at matibay siya, tigas, makintab. Pag napalis ito guys, ganda gawing jewelry. Ito guys, kakaiba ang kulay niya. Yan o. Ito guys, kakaiba siya. Lahat ng bato ko kakaiba siya. Yan, napakatigas. Makinis hawakan. Okay guys, andito na lang. Okay.